I
Yeah.
don't know. As I said, South Africans are different. We just roll with the punches and we adapt and we carry on.
Mm.
But I don't. It's definitely not as bad as it's made out. The country's not a bloodbath. It's
Mm.
just, although I mean, we just desensitized. I mean, if I'm going out shopping, I'm not going to wear this, my Kruger rant.
Oh
Bugger
wow.
that. It gets plopped in there because I mean, I'm not going to walk because it'll get ripped from my neck.
Mm.
Stuff we like the whole time. We just carry on with our lives. But I mean,
Mm.
I drove from whatever. It's fine here. It's probably I've been all over the world. It's no different than anywhere else. In
Yeah.
fact, I think in Europe and those places, you people, they probably got it worse. It's a beautiful country here. You can live quite safely here. Just be careful. I went to visit my daughter in China,
Oh wow.
and there you don't even have to. You can walk into a shop or anywhere, and you can put your cell phone or forget your cell phone on the counter.
Mm.
It's fine. You can come back 5 hours later. Your phone will be there.
Mm.
5 seconds later, it's gone in South Africa. Turn your head to look back, gone.
Goodness.
So, it's stuff like that. You just learn to be more careful. If your handbag is on you, you don't have stuff openly displayed.
Mm.
But most people get on perfectly well here as well.
Mm.
I mean, we're not killing each other in the streets. Like, I mean, you know what the news is like.
Yeah.
Even here, if something happens, they will always report the most
Heinous.
sensationalist version of everything because news sells. It's almost like as a society, we need the excitement of drama somewhere
Yeah. I,
to read. So that's where the mainstream media as well. I mean, they only report all the bad stuff. How often do you see good news stories?
well, not very
In
much because it's not a
No,
seller. It's not a
no,
seller.
exactly. It's just the media focuses on the shit and it's like the shit becomes the norm and it
Yeah.
isn't. It's not just here, it's everywhere.
Mm.
Yeah. But I
Yeah.
do think that without being a total bitch, I think the Europe that was always pointing fingers at us
Yeah.
is starting to see that with the migrant populations and all of that,
Mm.
it's not always the same standards
Yeah.
and the same moral compass.
Um,
And with that comes a lot of crime and stuff like that. So, I mean, if I watch true crime story, I mean, there's a couple of channels that are dedicated just to crimes. And I would think that I'm not going to the United States, I'm going to get shot or murdered at some point.
yeah.
It's just that news fixates on that now.